Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. In this video, we will study about method of preparation of ethene, physical and chemical properties of ethene. So first, what is ethene? Ethene is the first member of alkene series. Its molecular formula is C2H4. It is present in natural gas. It is used for ripening fruits. So topic is ethene. Ethene. Molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. Its common name is ethylene. Ethylene. It is the first member of alkene series. It is the first member of alkene series. It is used for ripening fruits. It is after this method of preparation of alkene. Method of preparation of alkene. Number 1, dehydration of ethyl alcohol. Method of preparation of alkene. Number 1, dehydration dehydration of ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH is called ethyl alcohol. Ethanol react with sulfuric acid. Formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. We can write HHSO4 H2 OH and H combined to form water. We get C2H5 HSO4 ethyl hydrogen sulfate plus water. After this ethyl hydrogen sulfate react with excess sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius. 1H combine this H give H2SO4 and here is left C2H4. So ethene is formed plus sulfuric acid. We can write this reaction in single step. Ethanol in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius. OH and H combine to form water. C2H4 is left. Dehydration of ethyl alcohol means removal of water from alcohol. So removal of water from ethyl alcohol is called dehydration of ethyl alcohol. Listen to me last time. Ethanol react with sulfuric acid to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate react with excess sulfuric acid to form ethene gas. We can prepare this gas in one step. Ethanol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius release one water molecule, ethene is formed. Okay student, I hope that you can understand this point. Second method of preparation is by dehydrohalogenation. By dehydrohalogenation. By dehydrohalogenation. Method of preparation number 2. Look here. Ethyl chloride react with ethyl chloride. C2H5Cl react with ethyl chloride react with alcohol hot concentrate potassium hydroxide. Alcohol hot concentrate potassium hydroxide give KNCl combined to form KCl plus OH and H is combined to form water plus C2H4. Ethene is formed by dehydrohalogenation. Ethyl chloride react with alcohol hot concentrate potassium hydroxide solution to give ethene. Formula of ethene is C2H4. Okay, students. Now after this, I am telling you physical properties of ethene. Ethene is a colorless, inflammable gas. It is sparingly soluble in water, highly soluble in organic solvent, organic compounds like ether, alcohol. Look here, physical properties. Physical properties of ethene. Physical properties of ethene are: number one, ethene is colorless, inflammable gas. Ethene is colorless, inflammable gas with a peculiar odor. With a peculiar 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 odor. Second, its boiling point is minus 102 degrees Celsius. After this, melting point is 169 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, it is sparingly soluble in water. It is sparingly soluble in water. It is sparingly soluble in water, highly soluble in organic solvent, but highly soluble in organic solvent like alcohol, ether, chloroform. Organic solvent like alcohol, ether. Alcohol is ROH, ether is ROR, chloroform is CHCl3. Now student, we will study about the chemical properties of ethene. Chemical properties of ethene. Look here one by one. Chemical properties of ethene.